Well, we have some big news for Fox 26. It is the official rollout of the Fox Local app for your phone. So you've heard us mention Fox Local for live events, related stories, including exclusive content through your smart TV. Well, now all of that convenience is available right through the palm of your hand. So who better to get the word out than our very own Coco Dominguez in tonight's Bayou City Buzz.
I had an appointment this morning to get my hair done, so I headed over to the Orlando Hair Salon, which I thought was the perfect place to start spreading the word.
Hey guys! Hi, have you heard? Fox Local is now on your phone. We have an app! Yes, I'm going to show you how to use it. Grab your phones, let's download it. So you go to Fox Local, you pick Houston, and you'll be able to see everything happening in the area, all the fun stuff. I know how important it is for a salon.
Yes, I'm downloading it right now. Y'all download it,
Next, I was off to downtown Houston, where I knew there would be lots of people off for the holiday.
Get your local news on the Fox Local app. So hit the Fox Local. There you go, right there. Get it, get it. Okay. You guys heard of the Fox Local app?
No.
Okay, instead of going to your TV, you know what, everything's going down in Houston, so download it. Just go to your app store. How do you watch Fox now? Like on your TV or on TV?
I'm old school.
All right, but now...
And you have my phone, so yeah.
Yeah, so now you're going to have it on your phone.
Oh, okay.
Directly on your phone, where you don't have to go to the website or anything, and you just pull it up, and that's what it looks like, and it's just like live news right there.
Perfect.
You are in, my friend. So anything that happens, you know, we have a lot of different things that happen in the city. We all need to be a part of it, be on the same page.
And as a former radio DJ, I know one of the best places to spread a good word is on the radio. So I headed over to one of the biggest stations in the city, 97.9 The Box.
Hey, it's the G and the Pimp, G-Man and JQ. You know how we doing it right here. And I got a special guest in the building who I call family for life. You hear her and see her all the time on Fox 26. Coco Dominguez in the building.
Hey, what's going on?
So you got some big things going down with Fox 26.
Yes, and this is for the community, really. Today, we're so excited. It's our big rollout. Our Fox Local, Fox 26 app is now on your phone. You don't need to go to your TV. There's always a lot happening, a lot breaking in Houston. You want to be able to go to your phone locally and find out. So our Fox Local, Fox 26, it's as Houston as we are.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm loving that right there, because you know me, I always got to go to the TV or try to go on the computer, Google the website and go in there. So now I can just download the app, hit the app, and I can get right down to it.
Right down to it. Download it for free. You know, we like free.
Ooh.
So it's absolutely gratis. Should I say it in Spanish for Hispanic areas?
Yes, please, say it in
Mira, para
Spanish.
que todos que quieran en español, es gratis el app Fox Local para todo lo que necesiten en Houston, ¿ok? Bueno y malo.
The good and the bad. Leave it to Coco Dominguez to just spread the Fox Local news all over Houston. She did a great job with that.
The secret is out.
Yes,
it's
it's
no
out.
longer a secret. And you need to download it on your phone or your smart TV.
Exactly.
Find us everywhere now.